Hi, I'm Sarah with CustomPilatesandYoga.com, and if you are already a subscriber to this channel, then you have been enjoying me teaching you little bits of yoga and Pilates and sometimes putting them together into sequences for quite some time now. But if you're new, you may not know, I also offer some videos that are like full length and for sale. I've got a 60-minute neck, shoulder, and upper back stretching yoga video that is great for opening up that rounded posture that we create through the day and also relieving some pain in those areas. And I've also got another video to help you relieve hip pain. This one is a 20-minute, just real quick, in and out. You can do this every day if you've got hip pain right now, or if you just really want to do the most that you can to keep your hips healthy. Then this video is great for that. So go on over to my website, www.CustomPilatesandYoga.com, click on the shop button, and it'll take you there. Thank you.